Hi, once again, welcome all the social media viewers. I am your smart walking friend PRAKASHANANT MOIRANGTHEM. So today I brought one of the most interesting topic called Dynamic Startup 4.0. That's transform from 0 to 1. So it's a workshop with a competition and it's a 2-day event performed and managed by Dynamic Manipur DM. And it starts from 13th and 14th July 2019. So the timing is 9 AM to 6 PM. And the venue of the event is at the Lamyanba sanglen opposite to the All India Radio imphal, Manipur, India. And about the registration fee for the general common people is 700 rupees and especially for a student it's 500 rupees. And for an inquiry you can call to our given number 8258082791, and the last date of the registration is coming 10th July 2019. There will be a pitching competition also, and the prize is first prize 10,000, second prize 7,000, and third prize 5,000 along with the certificate and the memento and etc. And about the agenda, about the theory section, there will be an elevator pitching section. So the topic wise and there will be a selection among all the prepared trainees. And next week there will be a topic called lean startup. So it's a concept by the Mr. famous Eric Iris. So it's a methodology. And the next, along with this course, there will be a mentoring session by the expert team. And in the coming practical part, there will be an idea validation section. So idea validation will be based on the standard norms of the market. And next week there will be another brainstorming section. And next week there will be a practical fieldwork section. And this will happen as per the rules and along with your teams. And there will be a final pitching competition, and the judges will give the respective marks, and then there will be a top win-win prizes selection. So this is our agenda, Dynamic Startup 4.0, and there will be an opportunity to have an incubation for those who got a selection in this workshop program from the company called GLOBIZS. So for more information, you can contact me, PRAKASHANANT MOIRANGTHEM. My contact number is given here, 9921607202. So I will be always available throughout the 24/7. So with this, thank you and see you soon once more.